Makeup trends, much like fashion, are cyclical. What was once old inevitably becomes new again, capturing the hearts of a fresh audience. And right now, brown lip liner is not just having a moment, it's making a full-blown resurgence. It's back and bolder than ever. Once a 90s staple, gracing the faces of supermodels and pop icons alike, it's now everywhere, from high-fashion red carpets to the endless scroll of TikTok feeds. Celebrities and influencers are embracing this throwback trend, showcasing its versatility and modern appeal. But this isn't just a carbon copy of the past, it's an evolution. Today's brown liner application is softer, more diffused, and expertly blended, creating a seamless transition. And the best part? It suits absolutely every skin tone, from the fairest to the deepest. The look evokes a sense of nostalgia, reminding us of iconic beauty moments from the past, but it feels undeniably fresh and modern, perfectly suited for today's beauty landscape. Brown lip liner's comeback makes perfect sense. Fashion has been completely obsessed with the 90s and early Y2K trends for quite some time now, so it was only a matter of time before beauty trends followed suit, mirroring the styles of the past. So, what exactly is different this time around? It's all about taking the time to find your perfect shade of brown, one that complements your natural lip color and skin tone, and most importantly, blending the liner seamlessly for a natural, beautifully contoured effect. Say goodbye to harsh, unflattering outlines, and hello to fuller, more defined lips that appear effortlessly chic and naturally enhanced. Brown, in its essence, is a universal neutral, a color that harmonizes with a wide spectrum of complexions. Coming in a diverse range of shades, from soft beige to rich, deep chocolate, there's undoubtedly a perfect brown lip liner out there for absolutely everyone. This inherent inclusivity is a major reason why the trend is rapidly catching on and resonating so strongly with a new generation of beauty enthusiasts. It's a remarkably simple step to incorporate into your routine, yet it makes a surprisingly big impact on your overall look. Exactly what people are searching for in their everyday beauty routines: efficiency and noticeable results. So, whether you're aiming for a subtle, barely there boost or a bold, statement-making look, brown liner effortlessly delivers the desired effect. It's further proof that the very best trends are truly timeless and never really fade away completely. So, get ready to see perfectly lined brown lips absolutely everywhere you look. Brown lip liner's roots run deep, tracing back through decades of evolving beauty standards and trends. Its story truly begins in Black and Latina communities, where it wasn't just a trend, but a form of self-expression. These communities used it to skillfully define and enhance their lips, creating a look that was both striking and empowering. This was long before it hit the mainstream, when brown lip liner was a well-kept secret of those in the know. Then, in the 90s, supermodels gracing the runways and R&B stars commanding the stage made it truly iconic. Think Naomi Campbell, a vision of glamour, and Mary J. Blige, a queen of hip-hop soul, always seen with crisp, brown-lined lips paired with a contrasting pale lipstick. The look was bold, undeniably confident, and instantly recognizable, a signature of the decade. As the millennium turned and we entered the Y2K era, it evolved once more. Lines became softer, often blended for a more diffused effect, and glossy centers added a touch of youthful shine. It was a playful vibe, reflecting the optimism of the times. This look was often seen on stars like the unforgettable Alia and the ever-glamorous J. Lo. Trends shifted again in the 2010s, and visible liner faded into the background as matte lips took center stage, dominating the beauty scene. But now, fueled by nostalgia and a renewed love for 90s style, brown liner has made a triumphant return. This time, it's not just a fleeting fad, but a recognized classic, a staple in many makeup bags. Its incredible journey from underground origins to mainstream adoration beautifully shows the enduring power of beauty innovation and the profound impact of cultural influence. Brown liner is back in the spotlight, and it's definitely here to stay, ready to define a new generation. In 2025, brown lip liner is everywhere thanks to Gen Z and celebrities. Hailey Bieber's brownie glazed lips, soft, blended, and glossy, sparked a viral craze. Zendaya sculpts her lips with deep brown liner and nude lipstick for a glamorous, full effect. On TikTok, the gym lips trend uses brown liner and balm for a natural, defined look. Gen Z loves the ombre technique, dark liner, lighter center, and a seamless blend for a fuller pout. the trend is all about personalization, finding your shade, mixing textures, and experimenting. Influencers encourage everyone to play with browns, from taupe to chestnut, matte to gloss. Brown liner's new wave is creative, inclusive, and totally modern. Want to try the brown lip liner trend that's all over social media? Here's a simple guide on how to achieve this look. Start by gently exfoliating your lips. This removes any dead skin. Then, hydrate by moisturizing your lips with a nourishing lip balm. This creates a smooth and supple base for the liner. Now choose a brown lip liner that's just 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural lip color. Begin outlining your lips, starting at the Cupid's bow, that little dip in the center of your upper lip. Carefully trace your natural lip shape with light, feathery strokes. This will define your lip line. Next, blend the liner inward towards the center of your lips. Use a lip brush or your fingertip for a soft, diffused gradient effect. If you want extra fullness, you can slightly overline your lips. But remember to stay close to your natural lip line to keep it looking natural and balanced. To finish, apply a clear lip gloss for a modern glazed look. Alternatively, fill in the center of your lips with a lighter shade of lipstick to add dimension and create a subtle two-toned effect. Gently press your lips together to seamlessly blend the liner and any other lip products you've used. The result is fuller, more defined lips that look effortlessly chic and modern. Applying brown lip liner is easy, quick, and instantly elevates your entire makeup look. The brown lip liner's real power is versatility. Try the soft contour lip cool brown liner, matte nude lipstick, and a natural fuller look. Or go bold with a satin ombre deep liner, creamy center, and a glamorous dimensional finish. Brown works for every skin tone, fair, medium, or deep. Just find your perfect shade. It's one of the most inclusive trends in beauty. Whether you want subtle definition or a statement lip, brown liner delivers. It's affordable, easy, and endlessly customizable. Embrace the comeback, experiment, and make the look your own. Brown lip liner proves that great style always finds its way back.